Welcome to Arham Design Solution. In this video, I will show how to import coordinate from Excel into AutoCAD. First, we go to Excel file. Here we see X and Y coordinate. First, we merge it. Here we used a formula, concatenate formula. We show the formula in display here. Here we find the merge coordinate. Now copy the coordinate, press Ctrl C, then go to AutoCAD workspace, go to draw and select multiple point. Click here, then in command box we paste it. Here we saw that the coordinate show in workspace. Thank you to watching my video.